You guys saw the last thing we dropped. It was a contraption where we had dive weights, dive lights, and a GoPro 7 where we just dropped it to the bottom of the blue hole. So we couldn't get any maneuvering, we couldn't do anything. Today, with this drone that we have, we're gonna be going all the way, and with my extremely well-trained 1 week, a whole week of piloting this thing, I'm gonna take you guys to the bottom of the blue hole.
Giant to a magnet, big boss status. Ain't gon' lie, I really wish they would like a cabin. I ain't do no front and get my money on the back end. Yesterday's price ain't today. Now
we stayed at It's a Hotel because we need a place where we can charge our underwater submarine drone. I'm hoping now we can talk to Elvis, the owner of It's a Hotel, who's been part of all these expeditions, and he can tell us a bit about exactly what's going on at the bottom. So what is the blue hole for the viewers out there that have never seen it?
The blue hole is a collapsed sinkhole. Up until 2,500 years ago, it was above land. As it collapsed, you know, the center of it collapsed down. You have some big stalactites and stalagmites on both sides of the blue hole. So there's a side that everybody does, and then there's a side that the liveaboards does. And there's some pretty cool structures down there. So it's more of a geological dive, but for what it was, you know, you were swimming in a place that was once dry land.
After talking to Elvis and learning more about what we might find at the bottom of the blue hole from prior expeditions he'd been on, we were prepared to make our way over there. Some of our biggest concerns were, would the structural integrity of the drone be able to survive the pressure, and how would the sharks react to the drone?
Just like Jacques Cousteau before us and Richard Branson, we're now setting out to the blue hole, one of the wonders of the world. We're gonna be dropping the 5 fish down to the bottom, 400 feet, and we're hoping to find a Rolex, we're hoping to find a GoPro, whatever they got down there I want. We've also heard there's more sinister things at the bottom, which we don't wanna see. Just other than that, what are we gonna find, and can the drone withstand the 2,500 PSI of pressure that's at the 400 feet of depth there? I don't know what we're gonna see, but let's get over there now.
giant to a maggot, big boss status. Ain't gon' lie, I really wish they would like a cabin. I ain't do no front and get my money on the back end. Yesterday's price ain't today. Now we taxing.
We're in position. As you guys saw, we have this pneumatic claw, which we need to attach to the 5 fish, because this is going to allow us to pick up the GoPros and treasure at the bottom. And of course, the baby.
What are you doing, Will?
Pretending to know what I'm doing. All right, we now have our visual connection here. Trevor's gonna run the line. As we put this in, you're gonna make sure that it has enough line coming out. From here, we're going in. This is like,
Let's do it.
time to drop her in. Here we go.
Oh, she's in.
She's in. Okay, we're seeing the bottom here. And just like that, we're going to start dropping down. We're dropping. We're at the deepest we've ever been. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna bring us a little closer to the wall, which I've been scared to do. That looks like a huge cave. Oh, what? If I go inside of this though, we're gonna have
big risk.
We're gonna have a hard time getting out.
With the line.
So there's the stalactites, and that's how we know that it was once a cave that wasn't filled with water. Oh, what? A crab! No!
A crab?
Oh my God, there's a crab. We've made it to the bottom. I actually didn't think this would work. Plastic, is that plastic?
That's plastic. Get
Let's
it.
try to clean up the ocean here, guys. Try to come up with the garbage. We're ascending.
And I got this bag.
Yeah, we did it! I honestly didn't think we would get anything, but my level of confidence has just skyrocketed. I don't know who's ever cleaned the bottom of the blue hole before, but number one, we're gonna frame this and put it in our office. Now it's time to send her back and see what else we can get.
To our own amazement, we had managed to pull a plastic bag from the bottom of the blue hole. I couldn't believe it myself. Some of the biggest concerns we've had though throughout the entirety of the trip was how will the sharks react to the 5 fish, because we had seen several already and they were very curious, but on this next drop, this was where we found out exactly how they would react, and it is shocking footage.
Oh, what? Okay, what are you doing with the slot? Whatever you're doing is moving. Oh my God! There's the shark!
Go get it, man. Go get it.
No! Holy, where did it go? Oh, it hit us! no! Oh my god! What? What?
Dude, look around.
Bro, the shark just hit it. I can't even get oriented. No. Dude, we're rolling. I'm shaking right now. Should I go down?
Get in there.
There's a big snapper. We have a lot of activity on the water here, guys. We're backing out here. Stack, make sure you're watching the line here. And if you're leaning on it like that, keep in mind that it's going to restrict our flow.
It's not restricted.
That shark just blitzed us. Okay, we just got the low battery notice.
As we pulled the drone up, we realized that the shark had literally taken a bite out of it. Unfortunately, we couldn't make another drop down to the bottom of the blue hole. We did, however, manage to get it working again. If you guys want to see more missions like this to the blue hole or other cenotes around Belize and sinkholes, get in the comment section and let us know. These missions take quite a bit of effort, and this one actually did end up costing me some structural damage to my motors with the storm that happened, but we're happy to do them if we get the positive feedback from you guys. We'll see you in the next video, and hopefully down here in paradise soon.